Hey folks, we're back here with the Chrysler, and my license plate light is burnt out. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and I'm gonna have to change it. All right, to change the license plate light, you got 2 screws. Take the screws out, and then you run the light through the top. I find this the best way to get to it. And then you twist on this one, and you pull out. Picked up the 194 Zevo bulb, puts out a white light, super bright, 6000K. They're not cheap, as usual. This one was $11. Actually, the Chrysler Concorde license plate costs for a bulb $168, but the 194 is interchangeable with the 168. They're pretty much the same. Let's get this bulb in here. Turn the lights on, see if it works. Oh snap! That's nice. Real nice. I had an old 194. I'll show you the difference. Big difference. All right, we're just gonna put it back in. Goes in one way. I'm gonna slide it back up in there. Now the hard part's gonna be trying to line this all up. All right, that's done. I'll never have to replace that bulb again. Not as long as I own this car. Hope this was helpful in some way. Now I'm off to the garage, get an inspection sticker done. Take care. Bye-bye.